Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know there were a lot of requests on doing some video series on the problem solving or root cause analysis. So this has been my domain expertise over last 2 decades in aerospace and especially engineering problem solving. So basically problem solving has different models within the industry. Many companies have adopted their own models based on the responses they require for the immediate problem. So for example, if you take an case of accident and a person bleeding with a blood, so the immediate containment action required there is to stop the bleeding and save a person life, to take it forward for the medical treatment. But the long term solution is to identify the root causes for the root causes for the accident and fix them for the long term. uh, at the spot of accident, you cannot keep thinking about the root causes of the accident, otherwise you end up losing the life. So that way each model has its own responses, but in overall they all work on a simple methodology known as identify the problem and investigate the root causes, and then come up with preventive and corrective actions, and then implement them and monitor and control. That is basically a PDCA or SDCA cycles, which are fundamentals of quality management system. So the next step, fourth step, is develop the corrective actions. So once we identify the root causes and confirm the root causes and do use this solution selection method, nominal group technique method among the cross functional team, then we have to select the root cause and develop the corrective actions. This developing corrective action has a different methods and tools that we will be using. So one of the important quote from Albert Einstein I would like to quote during this context is, imagination is more important than the knowledge. So this quote is appropriate when you want to develop the corrective action. So you have to imagine the solutions based on your experience, experiments and knowledge. So there are different steps that need to be followed to develop the corrective action: generate ideas, conduct the experiment, develop the action plan and implement them. So that will bring you the effective solution which will eliminate the root cause from the process. So generating ideas, there are different tools and methods which are like one of them one of them popularly used is the brainstorming session, and there are different ideation tools that will allow you to generate different ideas, where you will give the problem to the team and then ask for the ideas. Unanimously they will give you the idea, then you will rank the idea and then do the feasibility study and then conduct the experiment. Based on that, then you will develop the action plan to roll out the corrective actions into the process, and then once you get the acceptance from all the stakeholders, from the management and the end user acceptance, then you will implement and test the performance of the solution that is implemented in the next phase. So hope you are enjoying this series of videos. So we will be discussing different tools during the development for the development of the corrective actions, and then how do you link them with the root causes. So that is very important step. So we spend lot of time on investigation to identify the root cause, but we never spend enough time on developing the corrective actions, which is the fruit of your root cause analysis. The fruit of your root cause analysis is the corrective action or continuous improvement action plan that you put in place. That is very critical. So this stage is very critical. There are different tools and methods that we will discuss in detail in upcoming videos. So hope you are enjoying this series. If you have not subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe, like, share, comment. If you have any question, don't feel shy. please feel free to put in the comment. I'll get back to you, and we will learn together. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.